Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install any video converter on your Windows operating system. Any video converter allows you to convert a video to almost any format. Okay, open up Microsoft Edge, double click, type any video converter, download, press enter, or click search anyone. And then do not click on anyone that says add. This is the official one right here, so click on it and then click download right here, and it will start the download here. We're gonna wait for it. It's almost there. Alright, we could run it from here. However, close this out, go to File Explorer, click on Downloads, double click Application, click Yes to grant permissions, and it's unpacking the data for you. It's finalizing it here, and make sure this is checked and click Install Now. This is just a thank you page. Just close it out, install complete, and just click start now. And as you can see, it created a desktop icon for us. And if it didn't start, you can always open it up from here, or it just started as well. Okay, this is what it looks like, and you can pin it here. Go down here, pin it to text bar, right click and click pin to text bar. All right, leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.